Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a FedEx account. Well, this is very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to just go to Google and you have to write FedEx, right, and just hit the enter button. Now you will get this official website of FedEx. Click on that and you have to just wait for a few seconds, right. So here you can see you have to select your location. So let's say I select my location and basically a location and language as well. You can go and change your location as well as by clicking on your continent, right. So I will just click on English here. Now just wait for it and you will be redirected here. It will again give you an option that are you sure you want to change this or you want to change to a different country or by default to your country. So I will just close this. Now on the top right you will see this sign up or login. So login for those who have already made an account here. So we will just click on sign up, right. If I click on it, I will get a drop down. Now here you have to click on sign up / login. Now just click on it and you have to just wait for it. And here, as you can see here, enter your user ID and password to log in. But we don't have ID, so we have to create a user ID. Click on create a user ID, right. Now it will load for a few seconds and here they will ask your name and details and company name and everything, right. Say I will just enter my name, last name, right, and here my country and contact address, right. So let me just add my everything here. Now if you have filled each and every information, as you can see here, that they will ask your authentic address as well as your city, country code and phone number and your email address also. If you had it everything, just click on enter login details. Now you have to just wait for a few seconds again, right. If something is wrong, then they will not move to the next step, right. And here, as you can see here, that zip code is not correct. Now guys, everything was correct. Now here in the second step, it will ask you login details. So I will use my email address as my user ID, right. If you want to make your own user ID, you can just choose here and you can just write whatever your user ID it is. Now here we will just create our password, right. So here they have gave certain conditions to make your password, so make sure you just do according it, right. So let's say here it is, I have made my password. Here I have read and understood, and you should tick on this because this is after, without ticking on this you won't be moved to the next step. I don't want any update from FedEx, right. So I will just click on create my user ID. Now you have to again wait for some time here till it load and we will move to the next step, right. The next step is account details. Now here you have to give the details regarding your account. So choose account type. If you want to make personal, you can just make personal. I want a business account, right. So here I'll choose a personal, right. Enroll me in my FedEx reward. Of course, if you just go for business account here, you have to enter my, you have to tick each and everything, right. In the, as we discussed on the first step, you don't need to enter your business company if you are just making your personal account, right. So here we will just click on create account, right, and you have to just wait for a few seconds again. And the last step is that is a complete, and here you can see just one more step. Add your credit card details to open a shipping account and receive discount on your shipping, right. So we have to do here, if you want to know the reason, you can just go and click here. We need your credit card details to verify your account. This means we will just place $1 temporary and they will take back after the verification. And here you can see this is my credit card details. So basically I have to add my credit code, security code, and that's it. Now once I click on submit, my account will be done and FedEx will send me $1 into my account just to verify. After verification, my account will be made and they will send a confirmation email on my email address. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.